Extremism and provoking religious sentiments. Extremism's claims focus on inciting religious sentiments, targeting the uninformed groups of society who are solely driven by their youthful immaturity and impulsive, mindless emotions. These groups are considered the most likely to absorb and disseminate extremism's claims, as they are the least knowledgeable in the sciences of Sharia and the jurisprudence of its objectives and balances. Extremism and terrorism's most effective recruitment tool is religious fervor devoid of scientific and intellectual awareness, whereby their rationale that the end justifies the means promotes falsifying facts and fabricating media, accompanied by provocative speeches and zealous chants, which heightens the responsibility for enlightenment and immunization. The main mission of combating extremist ideology is to refute its claims and allegations while sustaining the awareness of religious sentiments, to avoid infiltration by the devious nature of that ideology. This is the true message that must be undertaken by all public and private counter-terrorism institutions and platforms. One of the most significant causes of intellectual and methodological misguidance is the impulsion towards the instigators of religious fervor in the absence of sufficient knowledge, wisdom, and consideration. The pitfalls of mindless emotions have frequently resulted in dangerous consequences and great corruptions, which are often instigated by individuals who are liars, exaggerators, delusional, or prejudiced.